Alright, so our cats are bringing us holiday cheer. Right, girl? Yeah. I know. You just woke up from a nap. We won't bother you. Who's over here? Hey, what are you doing? Where you go? Hey, you can't get up there. Are you trying to ring the bell? I know. There you go. Ring the bell. Ring it. Ring it if you want a treat. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, ring the bell. Here, yeah, Paul will help you. Here. Show everyone that you know how to ring the bell. Go ahead. Go ahead and ring it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, watch out below. Someone's gonna help you ring it. I know. Go ahead. Ring the bell. I'm waiting. Ring the bell so you can get a treat. Take two. Ring the bell. There you go. I know, Grandma's making noise behind me, huh? You want to ring the bell? It's always good news. There you go. Every time a bell rings, a kitten gets a treat. Yes. So here you go. Every time a bell rings, a kitten gets a treat. Good job, girl. So Milo is trained to ring the bell when she wants a treat. Good job, girl. Happy holidays. I know, some good stuff.